The millionaire mindset. It's within your reach. Becoming a millionaire. It's a dream for many. But what if I told you that this dream is not as far-fetched as it seems? You might think it's impossible. But guess what? It's absolutely achievable. Many have done it before, and you can too. With the right mindset and strategies, anyone can build wealth. Yes, you too. This isn't about luck. It's about understanding the principles of wealth creation and applying them consistently. It's about making smart choices and taking action. Every small step you take towards managing your finances better, investing wisely, and saving diligently brings you closer to your goal. You need to believe in yourself and your ability to succeed. Self-belief is the cornerstone of any successful journey. When you trust in your potential, you unlock the power to achieve great things. A positive mindset attracts success. Visualize your goals, meditate on your dreams, and stay focused on your path. The energy you put out into the world will come back to you in the form of opportunities and success. Think of yourself as a millionaire in the making. Write down your goals, create a vision board, and keep track of your progress. These small actions reinforce your commitment and keep you motivated. Believe it, and you're already halfway there. The journey to becoming a millionaire starts with a single step. Embrace the process, stay determined, and remember that every effort you make brings you closer to your dream. The millionaire mindset is within your reach. The Millionaire. Dream big. Plan smart. Set your financial goals. Your financial journey begins with a vision. Imagine the life you want to live and the financial freedom you desire. What does being a millionaire mean to you? A big house? Financial freedom? Define your goals clearly. Write them down. Envision the lifestyle you aspire to. Whether it's traveling the world, owning a luxury home, or simply having the peace of mind that comes with financial security. This makes them real and gives you something to strive for. When you put your goals on paper, they transform from dreams into actionable plans. This clarity will fuel your determination and keep you focused. Break down your big goal into smaller, manageable steps. Identify the steps you need to take to reach your ultimate goal. This could include creating a budget, reducing debt, or increasing your income through side hustles or investments. This makes the journey less daunting. By tackling one step at a time, you can celebrate small victories along the way, which will keep you motivated and on track. Start with a short-term goal, like saving a few $1,000s. This initial success will build your confidence and demonstrate that your larger goals are achievable. Then, set your sights on bigger milestones. As you achieve each small goal, you'll gain momentum and be better prepared to tackle more significant financial challenges. Remember, every step forward brings you closer to your ultimate financial freedom. Mastering your money. Budgeting for success. You can't achieve financial freedom without control. Control starts with a budget. Track your income and expenses. See where your money is going. Identify areas where you can cut back. A budget isn't about restriction, it's about empowerment. Knowing where your money goes gives you the power to make changes. Small changes add up to big results over time. The power of saving, building your financial foundation. Saving is crucial for building wealth. Start small if you have to. Even a few dollars a day can make a difference. Make saving a habit, not an afterthought. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account. This ensures you're consistently putting money aside. Treat your savings like a bill that must be paid. Section 5. Investing wisely. Grow your wealth exponentially. Saving is important, but investing is where the real magic happens and wealth grows. Investing helps your money grow faster than inflation, securing your future. It's the key to building long-term wealth and financial freedom. Don't be afraid to start small. Every investment counts. There are plenty of investment options for beginners to explore. Research and choose investments that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Section 6. Multiple income streams. The path to financial freedom. Relying on a single income stream can be risky. Creating multiple income streams diversifies your income and accelerates your wealth-building journey. Think of it as having multiple rivers flowing into your financial ocean. Explore different avenues for generating income. Consider freelancing, starting an online business, or investing in rental properties. The possibilities are endless. Section 7. From ordinary to extraordinary, inspiring success stories. Don't just take our word for it. Countless individuals have achieved millionaire status through hard work, dedication, and smart financial decisions. Their stories are a testament to what's possible. Take inspiration from these success stories. Learn from their journeys, their challenges, and their triumphs. Remember, if they can do it, so can you. Section 8. Never stop learning. Knowledge is financial power. The world of finance is constantly evolving. Commit to continuous learning. Read books, attend seminars, and follow financial experts. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Seek advice from financial advisors or mentors. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. Section 9. Take action. Now, your journey to wealth starts today. This is the moment you've been waiting for, the moment to take control of your financial future. You've learned about the millionaire mindset, the principles that guide the wealthy, and the habits that can transform your financial life. Setting goals, budgeting, saving, investing, and more. These are the building blocks of financial success, the tools that will help you create the life you desire. Now, it's time to put that knowledge into action. It's time to take the first step, to move from planning to doing. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is a myth. The perfect moment is now. The perfect moment is now. Start today. Start this very minute. Take that first step towards your financial goals. Start small if you need to. Every small step counts. Every small action brings you closer to your dreams. The important thing is to start. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Every step you take brings you closer to your financial dreams. Each action, no matter how small, is a step towards financial freedom and success. Your journey to wealth starts today, and with each step, you are building a brighter, more secure future. Section 10. Stay committed. Your million-dollar dream awaits. The journey to becoming a millionaire isn't always easy. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way. But remember why you started. Stay focused on your goals. Don't give up. Your million-dollar dream is within reach. With persistence, determination, and the right strategies, you can achieve financial freedom and live the life you deserve.